today is me board, and this video is based on the chomping T-Rex. And what it is, it's the Indominus Rex from Jurassic World. It just came in the mail today. Here's the figure, so it looks really cool. Its face is rubber, it's all plastic, its tail. In the back, you can see it from here. And here's the back. It says, Sound effects, warning, and color changing. And here's the other toy. We got this one, but these ones we don't have. Here's everything on this. So you see the picture of the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Another picture, and the other picture. And we have a Raptor Blue and the pterodactyl versus the helicopter and human. So let's get this out of the package. Here is all the packaging. Look how big this is. So here's the tail. And so let's put it in. It's a big tail. Let's put this on. Oh, there we go. There we go. So we put the batteries in already. So the batteries right down here, you can see. And you can kind of walk. You can walk. So here we go. You can see the color change on the back, and this here's postable bags so you can post in the cool stuff. And we're gonna bring in a dinosaur which I just talked about in the beginning of the video. Can you find each other? This one has no walls. It's not cool at all. Let's put that back. You won't have to put their tails on. And now it's like the wall. Yeah, this is like the wall. You see, it has different kinds of colors. We see that we have different kinds of colors happening. There's red. We have yellow somewhere. There's yellow. And there's lots of postable, and it's really cool. Ouch. It's really fun. So yeah, it's gray paint in the movie. He has a you know, in the movie, the jaw doesn't drop down like that. It's actually 90 degrees, which I blended on YouTube. And his feet look like the T-Rex. Because it's half T-Rex in it. You see the Jurassic World logo, which is kind of hard to see. And you can, wait a minute. You see the logo? Can you see it?
Yeah.
It's cool. It's cool. So get this. Let's make a wall. This is really top is made of hard, really nice and soft rubber. And you see the mouse have nice, really cool teeth. And oh hi, you're a nice dinosaur. Oh, he's not. Okay, guys, I'm back. What happened over here? I should never leave it away. Get out of there. Oh, back still back. Who made a wine? It's cool. So bye.